So anyway, for entrepreneurship, we were talking about computation of gross profit and net profit last time. So I have given you a worksheet with 2 problems. So itry natin siyang sagutan right now because I believe yung iba sa inyo hindi pa nakasolve. So anyway, for the first problem, Halcomp Incorporated has an operating expenses of 58,000 pesos and an overhead of 22,000 pesos. So the first question is, if total revenue is equal to 390,000 and net profit is equal to 250,000, what is the COGS? So we are looking for the cost of goods sold. So recall natin, NP or net profit is equal to the TR minus the TBE. But the TBE, this one, is actually equal to the operating expenses, the overhead, plus the COGS. So, ibig sabihin, dito natin makukuha yung COGS. So, let's just simply substitute everything to the formula. So, meron na tayong NP given 250K is equals to TR is 390K minus the operating expenses is 58K plus the overhead 22,000 plus the COGS. So anyway, ibig sabihin itong 390 transfer natin sa kabila. Magiging negative siya, but if you are going to multiply the entire equation by -1 para matanggal itong negative sign dito, magiging positive siya and this one will become negative. So ang magiging kinalabasan nito ay 390 minus 250K is equals to, magiging positive na siya, 58K plus 22K plus the COGS. So ito, i-minus natin, this is 140K. And then itong dalawa, pwede na natin ilipat sa kabila ng equation, maging negative sila pareho. So minus 58K minus 22K is equals to the COGS. So kung i-minus natin ito siya, this is 58 plus 22, tama ba? 60, 80, minus mo dito, 60K, right? So the COGS is equals to 60,000 pesos. So anyway, ito siya yung continuation ng question number 1. So nakuha na natin kanina yung COGS ng tawag dito Halcomp Incorporation. Ang tanong naman sa letter B is calculate NPM. So ang NPM is net profit margin. It simply needs the NP, which is given siya sa problem natin, 250K. And then, ang TR natin, another given sa problem, 390K times 100%. So, ang NPL natin would be NP given 250K divided by 390,000 pesos times 100%. So, using your calculators, 250,000 divided by 390,000 times 100%. So, Halcomp has a 64, hindi na maklaro yung marker. So, meron siyang 64.10% of net profit margin.